friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well. Here, corona cases are rising so much. Schools are also getting closed 1 week earlier than the Christmas, and there is lots of frustration and a little bit of anxiety. I think it is happening with all of us, and I really wanted to do some shopping, but there are not so many options available here. We can't go so much to the shopping malls, but I really wanted some shopping therapy, and I thought that I will buy something from IKEA, and but I didn't want to at the same time buy some unnecessary stuff also. I really wanted to buy something which is necessary for home. I even went through so many videos to get some idea that what to buy, what can be useful for the home, because sometimes we don't know that what to buy. At the same time, we don't want the clutter also at home, and at the same time we also don't know how can we organize our home better, or how can we make arrange things in a better way. That is why I'm making these vlogs, to show you that what I bought from IKEA recently, so that you also get an idea to buy certain things which will be useful. At the same time, they are at very low prices, so at the budget I did some shopping and I will share it with you. First, I bought this divider for my home. It can be used anywhere in the home. You can put things under this and above this, and I bought 4 pieces of this, and it was €5 for one piece, and I think it is a very good buy. It will really help in organizing the things. It comes in this packing. So if you see Nikki, it is I really like the design and really like. Then I bought some balls because I was getting bored of my, current dinner set, and I didn't want to buy the whole dinner set again because it takes too much space. I already have 2-3 types of dinner sets. So I just wanted some change in my, when I eat in the balls and plates, I wanted some change. So that is why I bought of this is of black color, and I really like the design of it for pasta or for noodles, or even for rice. It will be and salads also. I really like the design, and they are around 4, and I bought them for €8 for whole, 4. They were for €8 whole set. And I also bought these balls. They are also of 4 set, and they are around €6, and I forgot €6 or €8, and they are also very good. They are also of black color. Some daily routine dishes, if you keep on changing them, it gives a good vibes. So that is why I changed. I thought that I will start using this. Then I bought spatulas. It was for €3, and this is a brush for applying oil. I already have many like this, but I still want to have always more. They are so multi-purpose, and for applying oil, for baking, everything. So that is why I really like them. They are of silicone, and they are of good quality, and also not so expensive. I bought some placemats. They were actually of sale, like they were of half rate, 50 cents for one, and I just bought them 2 pieces of it. Just to put them anywhere on the kitchen, or I just like the look of it. That is why I just bought. Then one more thing I bought for my kitchen. This is my dish rack. I actually also had once a steel rack for putting dishes after washing them, but it got rust, and so this time I also had plastic one many times, and I bought this time again this plastic one because it was very cheap. It was around €2, and €2.50 I think, and I think it's very good and convenient, and like the look design also of it because of putting spoon. More thing I bought for my kitchen is this mat. When the dishes will be wet, I can put them on this, and it was also very cheap. It was around €1.50 for putting glass, and it absorbs all the water, and it looks also very good in the kitchen. I have seen in many kitchens like this dishes getting dried on this mat, and I really liked it. It can be folded also like this, or you can also extend it like this. One more thing which I bought was this mirror, and this is standing mirror, and it will be really good for useful for the bathrooms and getting ready. And not so small, not so big. It was around for €6. This I really liked. This is a towel for head, and because of my daughter and me, when we wash hair, I think it will look very good, this head towels. So these were for €4, and two towels in €4. So I found it very, very cheap, and it will be very good to cover head like this, and well tidy. You can tie up your hair like this, and I really like the look. So I bought there are two, so one will be for me and one will be for my daughter. One more thing which I bought is this lamp. I bought this is standing lamp for my living room, and I bought it for 15 euro, and I really liked it because it is flexible also, that you can change the direction of the lamp, and it's very compact also, not so heavy, because some are very bulky and very heavy. I wanted some light items in my home, so that is why I bought it. So after assembly, this is how it looks like, and you can change the direction of it the way you want it, and I really liked it. It is also not very expensive, only 15 euro. I hope you liked my shopping haul from IKEA, and only aim of this haul was that to give you some ideas, because sometimes we don't know what to buy, how to organize our home, and that too also on a budget. We also don't want to clutter so much our home. The way my thinking is that I live on a minimalistic lifestyle, that I don't want so much clutter in my home, in my life, and that is why I wanted to give you some tips that okay, this is a small things which will not take so much money also, which will not take so much space also, and they will make the house look a bit better, and it will also make your life a little bit comfortable. That was aim of my this vlog, and if you liked it, then please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will keep bringing you very informative vlogs. Also write to me in the comment section that if you want some other topics that I should cover in my vlogs. I will be happy to help you in any way I can. I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.